This is a brand new 2012 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a limited slip differential, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: dual power seats, air conditioning, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, brake assistance technology, rear curtain airbags, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Toyota of Easley is located at 5643 Calhoun Memorial Highway in Easley. We have been serving South Carolina for over 30 years. We have a great selection of new, used, and certified pre-owned vehicles. All new Toyotas now come with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance plan with roadside assistance for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Come and see us today. You'll be glad you did.